How to change currency on Roblox. So if you want to change the currency on Roblox, then what you need to do is if you open up your browser and log into your account, then if you go with your settings, which is on the top right, and under settings here, you won't have an option to change the currency on your Roblox, right? So if you go with the payment methods, something like that, then you won't have an option to change the currency. So in order to change the currency on your Roblox, what you need to do is you need to have a VPN, because without a VPN, you won't be able to change the currency. So you can just simply search for free VPNs. If you don't have VPN on your device, you can just simply search for VPN and then you'll be able to download the free VPNs right here. Once you've downloaded the free VPN, then you'll be able to use it. You just need simply turn on the VPN and select any country to which you would like to change the currency of your Roblox. So turn on the VPN and then select the country. And after selecting, the main thing you need to do is refresh your page, because if you've not refreshed after turning on your VPN, then it will not work. So you need to refresh your page, and after refreshing, your currency will be changed. So that's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.